Hi guys, in this topic you will learn how to make the course as a test course to upload it in Udemy. If you are an instructor on Udemy, there are two types of courses, test course and practical course. In this topic I'm talking about the test course. So for the test course, you have to prepare your files. Then you log into Udemy and prepare the description and the name, requirement of the course, and upload it the documents or Excel sheet. First point, if you have the test like PDF, for example these, questions, answers, and the options, you have to convert it to PDF to Word. So you can go to, for example, to I love PDF and login and convert PDF here from PDF to Word and upload your PDF and download the Word. Once you download it, it will be like this. Why you need to convert? To take a copy and paste from it. For example, it will be like this. So here you can take a copy and paste in other files. So this is the first step. Second step, you can create an Excel sheet. This Excel sheet, this is the format of the test course on Udemy. Here is a questionnaire or question type, option 1, answer option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 11 or 12. Then what is the correct response? So you have, for example, I will show you here. I will mention the question. So I will take the exact question from my, here I will take, for example, this, copy, came here and paste. Here this is multi-select or multi-choice. What means of here? Choose 3. So it will be multi-choice. So you have to take this here. It will be multi-choice. Then you have to take the answers, copy. Here I am going to any new one and paste and again copy. And I came here, put it like best special, like transpose as a T. So it will be like this, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I go to correct answer to check what is the correct answer. A like 1, D 4, F 6. يبقى 1, 2, 6. I came here 1, 2, 6. So this is for multi-choice. For the multi-select, if I take another example here, for example this one, I will take copy. The same way in the question, this will be multi-select. Again take the answers, for example these 3. Came here, I will put it here and again copy and come here and transpose. Then go to the field of the correct answers and I will put 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C, 4 for D, and so on. So this is the format, and this is the difference between multiple choice and multi-select. After you finished, you have to save it as CSV file. Came here, CSV file, and save it. And once you go to Udemy, for here, I will exit. Once you log in, you have to create a new course. Click on new course. Here, the option, as I told you before, what is it course as a practical or practice test? You can select practice test, continue, enter as a test, for example, continue. Choose the category, this is IT, music, blah blah blah, continue. This is how much time can you spend. I'm very I haven't decided if I have time or 2 hours as optional. Create a course. Here, once you created, here what is intended, what is a practice test, upload the bulk uploader or not. You can select it and choose your files and upload it. I hope now to got what the format, and also I will mention the format Excel in the description of the video, and you have to follow the same steps to create your practice test on Udemy. I hope to subscribe. Thanks for watching.